Hello, everybody. It's Coach Ken here with LT360, and my special guest is LT360 client Steve Sturm. How you doing there, Steve? Doing good today?
I'm doing good. I'm hanging in there.
He is. Steve came in and has eval. Steve started with us in July, and he's pretty close to what we call where you get to where you want to be. We call that maintenance level because, again, it's about lifestyle and getting you where you want to be and keeping you there and not having to yo-yo up and down. He's pretty close to that. But as he came in today, you weren't really that confident that you had done all that well, were you?
It had been a pretty tough week and a half there before, so I was afraid I was not going to get any positive results at all. But luckily, I stayed after it anyway and got what I could and when I could and got positives.
And Steve's one of those guys, again, you hear about people and their work and things like that. He'll put 10-hour days in, plus his travel time almost makes it like a 12-hour day with his work. He's been back and forth to Missouri, which we also found out we have a Central Missouri connection that we did not know. So I graduated Jefferson City High School in 1976, and Steve
graduated Colar 1 Russellville, Missouri in 1979.
Which right there neighboring and
I could have easily gone to Jeff City High School. Yep. It was easy.
And we didn't realize that.
And all my brothers below me went to Jeff City High School.
So we got some the Central Missouri, Mid-Missouri connection.
World, folks.
Did not realize that. You also got a little background as a musician. Tell us about that a little bit.
Yeah, I came to town back in '86. Got a chance to get on with a few artists, and I actually ended up touring for 20 years. I did the last 13 years of those 20 with Travis Tritt.
Travis Tritt, we've heard that name before.
Played pedal steel guitar and dobro and guitars and acoustic and sang, but I didn't have to dance. So trust me, when you see me dance, you'll think that's a good thing. So.
That's good because as of right now, with his busy schedule, work and different things that have come up, and even being very hectic, he had just a family illness, and there was a family death, and there was just this trip and that trip, and just going things with work. He had a couple of cook-off things going at work. The chili contest became his responsibility at work. But who was the winner?
I actually won today.
Yeah.
I had to come in last minute to fill in the void and ended up winning. So now I get to do it again because next month is a grand champion, so all the winners get to go against each other. So now I got to cook again.
That's right. And chili is a pretty much of an on-plan LT360 food, so that's good as far as that goes.
I cover Wendy's chili all the time. I'll get a half salad and usually I get a cup of chili at the same time, and that'll be my lunch and my afternoon meal. Yeah. So it all works out.
That's right. So since starting July, he's lost 40 pounds total overall health as far as primarily related to fat loss. He's got his body fat percentage a little bit, in the 24. His muscles 35. His hydration is 53. So very, very close. He thinks to maintenance where he wants to be.
I'm not going to give up till I get there.
That's right.
I got this close, and it feels good. It's nice to be able to bend over and tie my shoes without having to go, oh God.
Yeah.
Who put this? I rolled over in bed in my years in the past, and I was like, who's in bed with me? And I go, oh, it's me. It's just me. It's all me. Yeah. So that's no longer an issue. So I got a little bit more to go, and I'd like to see it through and then make sure that it stays that way.
Well, good for you. Well, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Again, if you want us to help you create a health story like we are with Steve, give us a call, 615-815-0390, and visit our website at www.lt360.com. And we see a lot less of Steve right now, which is good, and we're hoping to continue that.
Absolutely. And you can do it. If I can do it, trust me. I was a touring musician. I just kept putting weight on because you sit on a bus and you got nothing to do but eat and drink and play cards. So guess what? After a while, you're like, this is just me, and you don't have to be like that. It doesn't. So it feels so much better to be here. If you're thinking about doing it, do yourself the favor and do it.
Yeah. Thank you, Steve, and congratulations.
Thank you.